to see about a C program, and it is simple and basic example used to calculate the area of a rectangle using user entered values. The program starts by including the standard input and output header file studio.h, which allows us to use functions like printf and scanf. Inside the main function, three integer variables are declared: I, B, and area. Here, I will store the length, B will store the breadth, and area will store the final calculated area of the rectangle. The program displays a message asking the user to enter length and breadth using the scanf function. It takes the input values entered through the keyboard and stores them in the variables I and B. After receiving the values, the program performs the calculation for the area using the formula area is equal to length into breadth, which means the area is simply the product of length and breadth. Once the calculation is complete, the program prints the result on the screen using printf and displays the message area of a rectangle is along with the calculated value. Finally, the program ends by returning 0, which indicates a successful execution. Overall, this code demonstrates the basic concepts of taking user input, performing arithmetic operations, and printing output in C programming. It is a perfect beginner level program to understand how variables, input functions, and simple mathematical formulas work together in a C programming. Now, this is the code, and here is the output of this code. Thank you, one and all.